So here we are shaking up the purple. It's a very nice purple. I'm going to put it in the cup. You don't need much. That should be sufficient enough. Okay. Put the compressor on. And we want to adjust this, so we want to adjust it all the way to home. So we turn it clockwise, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check the spray. You got a good spray there. Turn it here. You don't want to do the center too much because you're going to glue the figure down in there. So there you go. So we clear the airbrush out of the purple. Pretty much clean. The black will take over the next color. So shake up the black and get that in the airbrush. So I'm going to do the black now. Want to put a frosting coat on it first. Okay, all over. Just a tack coat, just to get it started. And do avoid the parts you don't want to paint, so you have control over that. You turn it like this. So like so. I'm going to do that. So we got most of the car done here in the black, and we're going to have to go into detail and paint. But now we have to do the count here. And they sent me on in. So like that. I want to show you something here. Got a little overspray here, and we just take a little Windex on a Q-tip and just keep rubbing, and you can just rub it right off and it'll evaporate. So that's a little trick you can use. So let's see if we can do his face here. I'm pulsating the trigger as I'm doing the ears, close spots. So by the hairline, I'm pulsating the trigger. Don't be afraid to what I call mispaint. If you mispaint, you can always go back and fix it. No problem with that. Matter of fact, acrylic, like I showed you before with the Windex, you can wipe it off even when it's dry. So let me finish this up and continue. Oh, these Reaper paints are a very good choice for figures like this, and I highly recommend them. The Bone series, they're called. And also, I'm using the Grex airbrush, and I haven't said much about this airbrush, but the most thing I like about it is it's a side feed, and you can see straight down the nozzle as you airbrush, so you can see close and get in close detail. So I just wanted to add that. And now we're putting some red in. I'm going to do the hat. It's a little bit maybe too much, but move this guy over out of the way. I have some plans for this hat. Hopefully I can do what I want to do with it. So, we'll see. I've got the airbrush set on sensitive, so what I did was I turned the knob here clockwise till it stopped, and then I went 5 out. See that right there? I gotta make sure I paint that in. Lot of little details. We gotta do the back of the cape. So Dracula's dragster is all painted up and all done. Yeah, I went into finishing this and left out some videos in the process. Actually, I lost a couple clips, and so you didn't get all the detailed painting, but it's all, the rest of it that wasn't airbrushed was detail painted with a brush. So I don't think you'd want to sit through me detail painting with a brush, because I'm very meticulous and take a very long time. So there he is. There's his face. And his martini full of yeah. And he's all done. So please rate, subscribe, share, watch my videos, and ring the notification bell to the right, and have a great day.